all, myself Neelam Singh, as a head of the Scholar International School, I would like to welcome my parents, staff and the student in this informative webinar. It is my privilege to welcome our special guest, Dr. Poonam Jain. She is an eye specialist, and Dr. Anil Guliaji. He is a dental surgeon. Nowadays, students are most of the times in front of the screens. That's why they are facing a lots of problem related to their eyes. And the dental problem is a routine problem that is faced by the students. That's why we are arranging this webinar so that our guests are able to overcome all your problems related to the health. Doctors, if we thought about any person that are equivalent to the God on this earth, then these are the doctors. That's why 1st July we are celebrated as a Doctors Day. On this day we will try to show our gratitude and the thanks to the doctors for serving their services to the society. At last, as a member of the society or as a member of the Scholar International School, I would like to thank all the doctors for serving us, especially in this pandemic. Now I hand over the session of the webinar to Yashvi Yadav for her speech. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, myself Yashashvi Yadav of class 10 studying in Scholars International School. Today we all have gathered here in this seminar conducted by Scholars International School to celebrate Doctors Day. Today I felt extremely honored and privileged to have given the opportunity to welcome our eye specialist Dr. Poonam Jain and dentist Dr. Anil Kumar Gulia.
Good morning everyone. Happy Doctors Day to all of you. My name is Riddhima Jain from class 4. Fact about doctor is sometimes doctor risk their life to save other. I repeat my thought, sometimes doctor risk their life to save other.
Good morning everyone. Today I wish to give a speech on Doctors Day, which is a way of recognizing their services to our lives and ultimately to the nation. So, many of you have described your ambitions to become a doctor, but do you know why do we celebrate Doctors Day? Let me add to your knowledge. July 1 is being celebrated as the National Doctors Day. This day is actually celebrated to honor one of the greatest physicians, Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy. My dear audience, medicines can cure diseases, but only a doctor can cure patients, especially in these tough times where a harshly contagious disease as COVID-19 has paused the entire world. They have proved that why they deserve to be compared to the Almighty, because they treat their patients without caring about the risk to their life. You can pay them for the cure, but for their kindness and selfless duty will always be indebted. I salute them for their uttermost commitment to keep the nation safe, and healthy. At the time of ongoing pandemic, doctors are at the forefront and leading the battle. The services provided in these challenging times are truly exceptional. This day provides us an opportunity to thank them. And as responsible citizens, we need to minimize the burden on doctors, which can only be done when we take care of ourselves. It may seem like a cliche to wear a mask, maintain social distancing, and take other precautionary measures, but this is the need of the hour. I wholeheartedly thank these heroes who had made us survive. I myself wish to become a doctor and to serve my people and my country. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. We are the students of Scholars International School. Today is 1st July, Doctors' Day. We are going to give a tribute to all doctors who are working so hard.
नन्ही सी हंसी भोली सी खुशी फूलों सी वो बाहें भूल गए जब देश ने दी आवाज हमें हम घर की राहें भूल गए हम सोए नहीं कई रातों से जाने वतन सौ चांद बुझे हमें नींद उसी दिन आएगी जब देखेंगे आबाद तुझे तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू मजबूर हुई जब दिल की दुआ तो हमने दवा से काम लिया वो नब्ज नहीं फिर थमने दी जिस नब्ज को हमने थाम लिया बीमार है जो किस धर्म का है हमसे न कभी यह भेद हुआ सरहद पे जो वर्दी खाकी थी अब उसका रंग सफेद हुआ तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में